anti-breaking comparison. The polycarbonate rolling shutter doors usually rolls up and down. Are the panels easy to be broken? Let's have a comparison. The test will tell you results. Other brand polycarbonate door slats from the market have a broken rate several times higher than SUDIHAO brand polycarbonate slats. SUDIHAO polycarbonate slats have higher tenacity and are not easy to be broken. They are sturdy and durable. During market research, 7% of the professional technical person of rolling shutter doors said that when assembling the side polycarbonate slats need to be cut into half pieces. In the market, most polycarbonate slats they are being broken happen there. What we see are the facts. Do you see it? SUDIHAO polycarbonate slat was not broken when it was cut into half pieces. The internal reason is that they were made from Germany international materials. The molecular structure has a higher strength and higher density, and then to be made by perfect plastic technology.